there, it's Molly, and I'm hanging out at moodfabrics.com, working with product number 307404, Mood's Watercolor Clouds Digitally Printed Polyester Crepe. This product is a smooth, slightly textured crepe, and it is just a little arid. Features no stretch or give, and it is mostly translucent. This product has a wispy, lightweight drape, and this fabric's print was actually featured on the show The Good Place, which is amazing, by the way, but it's a different grain than the original, but it is still the same print. I love this fabric and the show The Good Place, so I think this would be really amazing as either a pussy bow blouse or a high-low skirt with a ruffled hem.